Welcome to FieldBoss. Today, I will explain how to create resource characteristics or skills. You can think of these as entities that represent different skills that a resource can possess. For example, you can create resource characteristics that indicate specific licenses required to complete certain jobs, or higher levels of certification like journeyman or trade certifications. Skills, like rules, can help in filtering or searching for a resource when you are scheduling a job. To see a list of all skills, you first need to switch to the FB Resource Scheduling app from your Dynamics 365 drop-down menu here when you press the downward arrow beside the FieldBoss logo. After this, click the bottom leftmost corner and switch the field to Settings. You can then click on Skills to see a full list of the skills that you have active. Like in many different areas of FieldBoss, you can see both active and inactive skills. To see a list of inactive characteristics, simply click the downward facing arrow to the right of the Active Characteristics button. To add a new characteristic, simply click New in the top menu pane. Type in the name of the characteristic, such as Trade Certification. Then select the characteristic type, which can either be a skill or a certification. Once you are done, hit Save and Close. To assign characteristics to a given resource, simply scroll over to the Resources tab, click the resource which you want to assign the characteristic to, and then click the plus button beside the Resource Characteristics table. Now, search the characteristics that you wish to assign, hit Save and Close when you're done. If this was completed successfully, you should now be able to see the characteristic you assigned in this table under the resource which you wish to assign it to. You should now be able to filter by the certifications that you have created. To do this, go to the FieldBoss schedule board, which you can find by switching to the Resource Scheduling tab, clicking the bottom leftmost button, then clicking the Schedule Board button on the left menu pane. If you look to the filter pane in the left side of the screen, you should see a drop-down menu that has characteristics above it. Click the arrow and then Trade Certification, then Search. This should now display all resources that have assigned to them the certification that you just created. You should now feel comfortable creating resource characteristics or skills. To learn more, reach out to your FieldBoss consultant or check out some of our other videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.